Short sleeves, not just for summer. Another real-world, no-fluff tip from the Zone. Installing your wires, you're always going to be going under sidewalks, across driveways, into plant beds, out of plant beds. When you're going from a grass location into mulch especially, you want to, at that mulch line where the mulch and the grass meet, because what's going to happen is the landscaper is going to edge. So whether he's going to use a weed whacker or they're going to use a blade edger, there's going to be some cutting going on over there. So you want to make sure that at that particular point, you have the wire in a Schedule 40 PVC, preferably a gray electrical conduit. And basically, it's just installed right there, and you snake the wire in. And what that does is it eliminates callbacks for a cut line. Most of the time, when you have a cut line, it's at that type of location. So be proactive. That's part of charging premium prices because you're putting in premium systems. I've made these tip videos to demystify the low voltage outdoor lighting business. To get a better idea of its potential, check out our free video lesson from our upcoming course, How to Build a Successful Landscape Lighting Business. You won't be disappointed. Click the link in the description and it will take you to the video at our website, landscapelightingzone.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the page. And while you're at it, hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we post new videos. Get in the zone, landscapelightingzone.com.